My dear brothers and sisters, we remember today the final apparition of Our Lady to the three children, Francesco, Jacinta, and Lucia. More than the Our Lady appearing to herself, this, I do believe, marked a notable turnaround of events, not only to the three children, but to those who were there and those who witnessed it. It was during this day that the miracle of the dancing sun happened. Eyewitnesses would remember that rain fell hard during that day, and because of that miracle, the land went dry afterwards. It was an eye-opener. It was a turnaround for them from doubt to faith, from questions to answers, from their gloom faith to clear visions and answers. Our gospel today would point out this seeming problem, that they were blind enough to see the greatness of God. They contested Jesus to the point that he was even equaled to what the prince of demons can do. But it is not so. Matindi man mang pinsala ang kasamaan, mas malaling magpakita at magparamdam ang Diyos ng kanyang pag-ibig. God would want us always to witness, I am preparing something good for you. I have great things for you. People can now be a hindrance to see the greatness of God. Many are wanting to at least equate their power to destroy and hinder us from seeing the power of God. But mind you, in the midst of all these, God has been restless from letting us see miracles and goodness one after the other. The pandemic blurred our vision of a healthy and safe tomorrow. But God's goodness sent people to heal us and accompany us. Our tears might have occupied our hearts, but God was restless enough to send us comfort. Problems might have eaten our attention, but God has sent angels to remind us to see and hope for the better. Patuloy na gumagawa ng mabuti at kabutihan ang Diyos. Madaming magpapabulag o magnanais man lamang, pero kailanman walang makahihigit sa mga ginagawa ng Diyos. As we encounter such, my dear brothers and sisters, like those who witnessed the miracle of the sun at Fatima, let it be a breakthrough of our faith, a breakthrough of a deeper devotion, and a breakthrough to a much deeper love to this great God.